RA 10592. During the first 2 years of imprisonment, 20 days for each month of good behavior. During the third to the fifth year, inclusive 23 days for each month of good behavior. During the following year until the 10th, inclusive 25 days for each month of the good behavior. During the 11th of successive years of his imprisonment, 30 days for each month of good behavior. At any time during the period of imprisonment, another deduction of 15 days in addition to numbers 1 to 4 there are 4 each month of study, teaching or mentoring service time rendered.